Ready to unlock the secrets hidden within your YouTube channel data and transform them into actionable insights. First, head over to Looker Studio. Make sure you're logged in and click the Create button to start a new report. Now, you'll need to connect your YouTube data. Choose YouTube Analytics from the list of available data sources. A window will pop up asking you to authorize Looker Studio's access to your YouTube account. Select the Google account associated with your channel and grant the necessary permissions. Choose the YouTube channel you'd like to analyze from the drop-down menu. Great! Now you're looking at a blank canvas ready for your reporting masterpiece. Let's add our first chart. Click on Add a Chart and choose a time series chart to visualize your views over time. Drag and drop the chart onto the canvas. On the right-hand side, you will find the Chart Properties panel. Now select the Views metric and drag it to the Metrics section. Set your date range dimension to date. Next, let's create a pie chart to see where your views are coming from. Select Pie Chart, then drag and drop the chart onto the canvas. Select Traffic Source for the dimension and Views for the metric. Feel free to experiment with different chart types and customization options like filters, colors, and labels. Drag and drop filters and customize to your heart's content. And there you have it, a custom YouTube Analytics report in Looker Studio, bringing your channel's story to life. Now you can better understand your audience, optimize your content strategy, and grow your channel.